In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the color ramp node to a point light. This is a simple scene containing a point light, a cylinder, and a ground plane. If we use a node on a light object like this, we can fully animate the color changing sequence like this. I'll show you how this scene was created. Let's create a cylinder, scale it, and remove the top face. S and Z to scale on the Z axis, and G and Z to move it up on the Z axis. Then I created a point light and activated use nodes. Let's go to the Shading tab, and add the Color Ramp node. We can't animate the light changing sequence from here. I'll set the emission strength to 5, in order to match the original light strength. We need to animate this slider movement, and that can be done like this. We can animate the slider's position like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.